Hello, beautiful people. So I have a lot on the agenda today. I am going to do photo shoot, review time. This outfit that I have on, turn it sideways. Yeah, so this outfit that I have on, I'm gonna do a review on this, plus other more outfits I have. Definitely check that video out. It's gonna be a separate video. A couple of things. I want to go to the eye doctor, but I haven't scheduled an appointment, so I'm gonna see if we can do a walk-in somewhere because I need some contacts. So my contacts is finished, and today's my last day off. Tomorrow I'm back to work for a 3-day trip. Super excited. No, I'm not. I'm not excited. And I'm gonna show you guys my mattress from my previous video that I got from Walmart. How it look, I measure it, it's 6 inches, honey, and it look good, it feels good. I lay on it, I was like, yes. Yes, she's ready. Okay, she's ready. The mess, guys, this is stuff that I had to put in my suitcase, so I have it out here. So this is the bed. It is actually 6 inches exactly. I have it on the bed for, I think it's 4 days now, and it feels so good, like so good. It's really good. It's not too hard, guys, and it's not too soft. Like, I'm literally putting a lot of pressure on this for this to actually sink in, but it's not too hard, not too soft. It's just perfect for me. This is the type of bed I like. The mattress that's on my bed right now is super hard, and I got it from IKEA, and I don't like it, which is actually my mom's mattress, and since she don't use it, I use it. But yeah. So again, this is the brand that I ordered from Walmart, and this is it, the twin size, so you guys could check it out. I'll try to see if I can find a link and put it in the description box. If not, I'll just put a name and you guys find it on Walmart. Yes, guys, so the shooting is done. I mean, the lighting wasn't that great, but whatever, I made it work. This is one of the items that I have on. If you want to see the full dress and everything, just go ahead and check out the website and also the video of the review. I need to go to get my eyes done, so I think I'm gonna get my eyes done first because that's the most important thing, and then I'll do laundry when I come back. Hopefully these people take walk-ins because I'm struggling here. So I'll be right back. So I got my glasses, I'm ready to go home finally. It's very small, cute glasses. Ooh, this light, this sun, she just all up in my face. I think this is it. So I went to Vision Works. Shout out to Vision Works, man, because they be having some good eye doctors up in there. Okay, I've been using them for years now, and I went into the one that's in the mall. Guys, I can't get the good angle. Okay, here we go. So I went to the one in the mall, and it was great. I did a walk-in, didn't have to set an appointment. So that was fabulous in itself. They took my insurance, which was great, and I didn't have to pay much. Now they have a special going on. You have 2 glasses for $49 for 2. That's a great deal for those of you that are self-pay. That is great. They asking for the self-pay price, and it was $70 for the self-pay price, which is not bad at all for copay. And then the glasses is separate, but if you can go when they have those deals, then you actually is not paying much at all. I'm gonna bring my mom because she doesn't have eye insurance, so I'm just gonna bring her when before the special ends, so she can get that special going on. They told me I can pick up my glasses by 6, so I have to head back there. I don't want to go home and then leave. Normally when I'm home, I just want to be home. I don't want to go and leave. So in the area, so I got some groceries and stuff for tomorrow for my trip and some snacks, and I haven't really eaten much since I eaten breakfast, so I'm wondering if I should go back to the mall, get something there to eat at the mall, and then by that time it's time for me to pick the glasses up. But then I don't want to spend the extra money because I already buy groceries. You know what, I'm not gonna spend the extra $6. I'm gonna save that $6. I'm gonna save it. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw my outfit. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing. This is a one-piece jumpsuit, long sleeve. I don't know if I did a review on. No, I don't think I did a review on this, but eventually I'll do a review on this If you guys want to see that, I also have it in other colors, and I have it in small to, I believe, extra large if I'm not mistaken, but I'll do a review on it. If you guys want to see, just comment below. And then when I get home, I have to do some more editing because I have some stuff that I haven't done yet and I haven't put out, so I gotta do that, the editing process of it. So tomorrow is a 3-day trip. It started very late. It started like around 8 p.m. So I said I have time to do stuff tomorrow. Tomorrow is not gonna be a long day when I start, because it's gonna be one leg, and that's good. I think it's gonna be like a 3-hour flight, so not bad. But my coworker called me today, and she told me that she forgot to bid her schedule. And so right now she is on reserve. She was normally a line holder, and if you forget to bid your schedule, they put you back on reserve. So she's on reserve for next month. The struggle is gonna be real for her. Like, it's gonna be so real for her. Reserve life, I mean, reserve life, the only stuck thing is when crew scheduling call you whatever time of night or morning and telling you you have 2 hours to get to your to clocked in. That's like the suck part of it. And because you're not really used to crew scheduling anymore, because when you're a line holder, you rarely hear from crew scheduling. You rarely call them. It's very rare. It's only if like you divert or certain, if like get canceled, stuff like that, you hear from it. Other than that, you don't hear from crew scheduling. Like, you're all by yourself. You are your own boss. No, I'm not lying. You're not your own boss, but you just follow your schedule and that's it. But yeah, and then she lives in God's nowhere, Timbuktu, that only like two airlines actually go there. So she's gonna have to come to base, and she probably gonna have to crash at my house or something, because she doesn't have a place here in base. Next month I have a lot of family members at my house, so my house is gonna be packed of people, plus her. It's gonna be a lot. Team too much. I don't even have enough beds for everybody. They're probably gonna have to sleep on the floor, Jamaican style. So Vision Works, yes, I love them. Love them. Not too expensive at all. And so far, I have never had a bad eye doctor so far. Like, when I went there, he was like, "Oh, I'm gonna give you a couple weird tests, and you're gonna come back." I'll say, "Look, I ain't got time to be coming back. Just give me the proper thing so I can go about my business and don't have to come back until next year." This is the type of eye I have right now, and this is the brand that I use. So just prescribe me that brand. We do the test, and if you if you need to up it, you up it. If you need to not up it, okay. But don't give me no weird test and then me come back. I got time for that. No. He was like, "All right, okay, not a problem." It's like, I think they do that too, so they can get the extra money. I got time for that. You know what my eyes supposed to be. Don't be playing with my money and be playing with my time. But my eyes weren't that bad at all. Only the left eye. Well, I had to increase a little bit, and the right eye stayed the same. And I think it's Lion Airline that crashed, the aircraft that crashed. They finally found the bodies, some of the bodies from that, and so far there are no survivors so far. I believe it was 180 something passengers, plus including the crew members. Nobody survived. Well, I don't know if nobody survived, but so far they haven't found any survivals, and that is so sad, man. Like, on the report, they said that they had to bring in family members to do like blood tests and stuff like that, so they can match with the bodies that they found to see which body belongs to what family. And you know, in water, your body, especially salt water, your body decomposes very quickly if they don't find the bodies in time. So I'm hoping they find everybody bodies, so at least the family members can bury them and stuff like that. Like, a lot of times I told passengers, man, when it comes to flight attendants tell you, okay, push your bag under the seat, do this, do that. They're doing that for, number one, in case of plane going down, they're doing it for your survival. Like, the flight attendants are close to the door. They can easily pop that door and bounce, you know what I mean? But they're there to save your life too, as much as they can. But they also have a minimum time to save everybody's life. And I believe it's like, depends on the aircraft, I believe it's like 60 seconds, which is not much time at all to save 100 and something passengers. You think 60 seconds is not a lot of time to save 100 and something passengers on an aircraft. But so a lot of times when we tell you to do certain things, it's not because we we telling you just to tell you. No, we're telling you because when the plane goes down, we have 60 seconds to get everybody off. And the majority thing is that for us, they says save as much as you can. They says save as much as you can, which means that if your butt is wrapped around your bag or something, or your seatbelt is wrapped around your bag and it got stuck or whatever, guess what? You be the last one to save. They only save the ones that are easier to get out of the seat, which means if you have your lap child in your lap and you have your seatbelt around your lap child and you passed out, and we have to unbuckle your seatbelt to get your child will be the last one, honey, to be saved. It sucks, but yeah. That's why I always tell passengers, lap kids, don't buckle your seatbelt around lap child. Lap child's supposed to be easy to like grab and go. 60 seconds to get 100 and something passengers out of the plane. And if anybody know, passengers don't know how to follow instructions. They don't. So which means that it's going to take longer than 60 seconds. And 60 seconds hump, honey, we gone. So if you're not in that little float boat, we gone. Because the plane can only float for a certain time. It all depends on where and how you land. The plane can only float for a certain amount of time. And once that plane going down, you going down with the plane if you're not in the boat. So please, ladies and gentlemen, follow the instructions of the flight attendants. They are trained. They are trained for this reason. You think you can handle it when the plane falls out of the sky, but you cannot handle it when the plane falls out of the sky. You're going to be hearing screaming. While the flight attendants, their mindset is action, go. Boom, 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 like step by step. Like they know, boom, boom, boom. Okay, the plane falls out of the sky, make sure you put in your brace position. Great. Passengers going to be screaming. Everything's going to be everywhere. As soon as the plane lands, pop, pop the door. Everybody out in the boat. And also we have to get our crew members. We always have to bring back our crew members' body. Pilots, the flight attendants, they have to get their bodies back. Just like the military. They have to get their bodies back to the family. So, yes. Sometimes you hear flight attendants say, shoot, as long as all the crew members' bodies are out, if these passengers taking forever to get in this boat, then we gone. Then we gone. Because the thing says save as much as you can. So, yeah. It sucks, but yeah, that's the motto. That's the flight attendant world. Like I always tell people, when you're signing up to become a flight attendant, I mean, there's a less chance of you meeting to accident in the aircraft, in the plane, or in the air. There's a less chance of that happening, but it's a greater chance of you getting hit by a car walking on the street, getting a car accident, or just there's a greater chance of you getting that. It sucks that I'm not going to my destination, but at least my life is safe today. So, yeah. I think it's about 6 o'clock. I'm about to head over to VisionWorks to get my glasses. Okay, guys, so I am back at home. Right now I'm doing laundry, and oh, the lighting is perfect here. This is a nice spot to do a photo shoot. Let me find out. Okay, so I am home right now. I'm doing laundry and packing out my stuff for tomorrow, and I have to cook some stuff for tomorrow. I forgot that I had some crabs, live crabs here in my bag. So all the time I'm in the car, I was like, what the heck is that sound? And I couldn't figure what the heck that sound is until I got home and was like, oh, I forgot I had some live crab in the car. Okay, great. So I'm going to cook that. I'm going to eat that for dinner, and whatever stuff that I prepare for tomorrow, I'm going to eat a little bit of pieces, I'm going to go in a little bit of pieces. So this is going to be the vlog for tonight. Guys, definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. Click that notification button. And sometimes I do live, guys. Like I'll be on a plane and just chilling, nothing to do, I'll go live, guys. So definitely check out my live. Also I post a lot of different things on my Instagram story, so definitely check that out. I don't really post it like on my Instagram, like I post it on the story. So if you follow me, then you see the different posts. I don't know how long the post lasts for, maybe 24 hours, I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, this is the vlog for tonight, and I'll see y'all tomorrow, either morning or afternoon, I don't know yet, depends on what time I get up. Peace out.